Hi! Today I bring you a short video for the ones who are working on handstand to have the practice in a more supportive way and to start to be more aware of the weight on your hands, getting rid of the wall. So let's start warming up the wrists. Bring your hands in front, open and close very fast as you can. Shoulders down. It's okay if you feel like a burning sensation on your forearms. Navel in, lengthen the spine. Faster, 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 faster. You can even feel your fingers burning. Open to the side. Up. Keep lengthening the spine here. You can already pull your shoulders up to start to have the feeling of the handstand. Closing a little bit the chest. And shake it. Bring the upper part of your wrists on the mat. Close your fist. Bend the elbows. Put a bit of weight here and then extend your arms, your elbows. Is it normal if your fingers opens a little bit here? So we go down and up. One more time. Down. Up, and we stay up with the arms straight. Keep closing your fist. And release. Bringing one hand in front will help with the other one to stretch a little bit the wrist. Don't go super deep. We are cold. It's just to stretch it a little bit like a welcome for the practice. And change. We are also stretching the forearms here. Good. Shoulders back. And forward. Back one more time. And now up and down. One more time. And down. Good. So I place the swing, and for this kind of practice, this is just personal, I prefer the rigid one, because then I know where my foot is going and where it's going to stay. If you have the elastic one, remember you have to put it a bit higher. So I place this one at the end of the pelvic bone, or the pubic bone. Place your hands shoulders distance apart, index finger going forward, or maybe middle one if you are used to the traditional practice like this. And now with the forearms, we bring it together. It's like we want them to touch each other. They cannot because we are pressing the floor. But we do this action to feel more activation on the pecs. Make a space in between your scapula, so push, round a little bit. Navel in, strong core to hold this pose. And the neck is free, so we can say no, we can say yes. There is no tension on the neck. Look for the swing with your right leg. One more time. Forearms going together. Push scapulas away, navel in, squeeze the glutes a little bit, and bring the left leg on the belt, on the swing. Stay here for a couple of breaths, focusing on every part. We start from the hands, pressing down with the inside of the hands. The fingers are gripping the mat. The forearms are going together. I feel the pecs activated, scapulas away, navel in. If you're shaking, it's okay. And release the right leg down. Let's just take a breath in a 3-leg downward dog. Inhale through your nose. Exhale by the mouth. Lift the right heel up. Bring the weight on your hands and bring the right knee to your chest. And push, 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 like you want to lift your hips. So my left leg is pushing the swing. I'm lifting my hips a little bit. I'm rounding my upper back and looking in between my hands. And down, push back. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Coming into a plank, lift the right leg up and drop the left one down. 3-leg downward dog. Lifting the left heel up, bring the weight to your hands, push, bring the left knee to your chest, lift your hips up, push, push, push. Look in between your hands, in between your thumbs. And down. 3-leg downward dog, inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Come into a plank one more time, bring both legs on the swing. And go with the elbows on the floor. And we hold here for a couple of breaths. Navel in, scapulas apart, legs extend and activated. One more breath. And release down into a child pose. This child pose feels kind of good, huh? One more breath. Come up. Prepare one more time. Hands, shoulders distance apart. Take your time here to make sure the whole base feels okay, stable. Find the belt with one leg, find the swing. Then the other one, find your plank. Forearms going together. Push so the scapulas are away. Navel in and bring the hips on top of your shoulders. I'm gripping the mat with my fingers. I'm kind of feeling like I'm going to fall forward, but my fingers on my hand are stopping me. And back. 2 more times if you can, otherwise you can go down and come and try again. Prepare everything, push the scapulas away, navel in. Bring the hips in top, have the fingers ready to stop you from going forward. And back, last one. And back, beautiful. Down, a well-deserved child pose. Inhale through the nose. Exhale by the mouth. Come up, we go one more. You can repeat the same one if you need to keep working on that one. Otherwise, in this one, we lift one leg up. Find your plank. Prepare. Pushing the scapulas away, inhale up. And reach with the right leg up. And down. Plank again. Up with your hips. And reach with the left one. And down. Child pose. Inhale through the nose. Exhale by the mouth. Walking with your hands, lift your chest up. So you can keep practicing these ones until you feel you have the weight on your hands, and maybe try to lift the foot that is on the swing up a little bit so you don't rely all the time on the swing. I hope this is helpful, and see you on the next video. Namaste.